Whether we are talking athletics, whether we are talking business or investing, we're always looking for the advantage, the inside edge, maybe the crystal ball, right? Well, relative to real estate and mortgage, there's a report that comes out every year at the same time. It's the week of Thanksgiving. And in my opinion, it's the crystal ball report. It's the information, the trends, the numbers that you as a home buyer and you as a homeowner are looking for. And I can't wait to share this with you this week. My name is Dan Keller. If you don't know who I am, I'm a branch manager and mortgage advisor at CrossCountry Mortgage right here in Edmonds. If you know who I am, there's a good chance that you've heard me talk about this information before and how valuable it is to you. So let me start with, if you're a homeowner, what the House Price Index report means for you. It's a report that's produced every single year because of the Housing and Economic Act of 2008. By the FHFA, they're required to produce a trends report based on refinance and purchase activity in the previous quarters and year. And they have to give that report to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac every year because they set the baseline trends for conforming loan limits in each county in each state in the United States of America. The great news, over the last 4 years, we've seen those baseline conforming loan limits increase. What that means is we're seeing a positive trend in appreciation, but not just appreciation, positive trend in the housing market. So if you are a homeowner, we're going to continue to see that positive trend in 2021. You're going to remain in pole position in the driver's seat relative to it being a seller's market. All right? Your home is going to continue going up in value. If you are a home buyer, and I work with a lot of home buyers, and this is kind of my bread and butter right here, this is great news for you. You've just received a boost in your buying power. Now, what I mean by that, because the conforming loan limits across the board in Washington State last year were $510,450. They've gone up to $548,250 this year. There's 3 counties in Washington State, King, Snohomish, and Pierce, where the conforming loan limits are now going from, these are considered high cost areas, $741,750 all the way up to $776,250. What this means to you is incredible buying power news. Prior to these changes, you could purchase up to $778,000 with 5% down, keeping you out of a jumbo home loan, which has higher interest rates, requires 20% down, and an ugly underwriting process. Now you can go all the way up to $815,000 and putting down only 5% on your purchase. That's great news. If you want to put down 10%, you can go all the way up to $853,000 and still stay out of that jumbo home loan category. This is incredible news. So another piece of good news for you as home buyers is as you're considering making the purchase investment, it's great news that the trends are continuing to rise. So you're not going to purchase something and then the values are going to drop out from under you. So we have an incredibly stable and healthy housing market here in Washington State. If you have any questions about any of this information, if you're a homeowner and you need to have a conversation with a realtor, reach out to me. I'm happy to introduce you to one. If you're a home buyer and you have some questions about making a purchase decision in 2021, I want to have that conversation with you. And one last thing, I want to say thank you. If we had a chance to work together in 2020, thank you for supporting our business. It means the world to both my team and my family.